2000, CMK 2000. So this CMK 2000 is a logo KNX module. So you can see the LAN cable connect from the logo to the CMK 2000, then convert to the KNX, the green color twisted pair. So KNX CMK logo CMK 2000 also have the individual address. Can talk to the switch, can talk to the KNX like the switch address. So for example, the address for the logo is 192.168.0.3, and the CMK default address is the 192.168.0.10. This is the default IP address. Computer start from the 100. So let's do the logo first. How to do logo? Still remember? So we go to logo original. Remember not the 7 for version 7. So logo, we go to open the logo. Close Windows 7. So in your computer should have this logo icon. Double click. You open your old file. You open your old file. So first thing is the configure the logo. Properties. General 192.168.0.3 default, then 255.255.255.0, then 192.168.0.1 the gateway. Remember, enable the S7 and the 2 bus. Hardware type default is 8.4. I own name, now I own name. I own name based on this. Input from PLC name the logo, PLC name logo. I1 is a switch 1, then M1 is a KNX from KNX. So how to put the I1? I1 is a switch 1. How to get the M1? M1 is in the, it's a memory, memory M1. It's inside the output terminal. You scroll down after NQ, after NA, M1 is here. This one is the KNX. So next, we have the input sector, M1 from KNX, and the switch one from the PLC input. Output Q1 is on the fan, Q2 for the light. So you just go to the output Q1 for the fan. Toilet fan, this one Q2 for the light. So just follow. Q1 for the fan, Q2 for the light. Sorry. So after this, put the additional information, change to your name, or your institute. And okay. We finish the setup. Let's copy the we do together. So switch one is I1. I1 is a switch 1. Then connect to the fan 1. Fan 1 is a Q. Connect the fan 1. But inside there is a function called delay on for 3 seconds, delay off for 5 seconds. So you see the delay on, delay off. Just go to the timer. Timer have the on-off delay. On-off delay. Put in the on-off delay. So connect the input output. This one delay on for 3 seconds, delay off for 5 seconds. This one is for the fan. So next is the M1. So how to get the M1? So M1 is this one, M flag. You can see the symbol. Can see the symbol M flag. M flag. So this is the M1. You click the M flag, M1 switch on off the light, switch on off the Q2. So go to the Q2. Finish. So this is your logo finish. After finish, what you do? You need to download. Connect the LAN cable, download. Then the top 3 is here already. So you can download to your logo. So finish the logo. Now go to your EPS. Go to EPS. So new project, practice 6. Logo KNX. So everything that remain the same. Create the project. So in your practice 6, you can see the building structure. So you have to new the building. New building in your practice 6. Right click, add the building. Building name is a building. So inside the building, what is the floor? Right click, add the floor. First floor. Inside the first floor, what is the room? Right click, add the room. Room is the unit 1. Inside the unit 1, what is the DB? Add the cabinet. DB1. So your building structure finish. This part finish. So now is your device, right? Switching actuator. So you add the right click, add the device. So switching actuator KA/R. You drag and drop. So DB1 have the switching actuator. So the number is the KA/R, right? You can see the number is the switching actuator. So next, you see the dimming, right? Dimming, you put the dimming. Dimming is a GC05, right? GC05. How many channels? You have 4 channel dimming, right? 4 channel. After that is a shutter, right? You have shutter GC06. In the shutter. So you have the switching, you have the dimming, you have the shutter, then you have the push button. CHPLE, right? CHPLE. So this one in the room. Unit 1. Room number unit 1. So now you have the 1, 2, 3, 4 device. One more PLC switch. This one is your logo. So you type logo, LOGO, KNX logo, LOGO. So this one is inside the DB. So everything the same, different is the logo. So we take the logo, parameter, what you need to set? You need to set the logo module. Logo module is 0.3. This one is the default IP address for CMK 2000. You will see the CMK 2000. CMK 2000, your root address is this one. It's the .10. This one, if you okay, you label it on the device so that your student can see and take the number. Base module with the LCD line is the 0.3. Your own IP address is the 0.10. Channel 1 is this one. Your channel 1. Channel 1 is Q1, channel 2 is Q2. So you go channel 1, activate from logo to KNX. This one, channel 1 is a Q1. This is channel 1, digital output, Q1. Channel 2 is the KNX to logo. Then it's a digital flag, M1. If you see M1. So channel 1 is the Q1. Then channel 2 is channel 2 is this one. Channel 2 is the M1. One side is from KNX to logo. Channel 2 is from KNX to logo. This like this from KNX to logo. From KNX to logo. For channel 1 is from logo to KNX. So you need to know the direction. In PLC and KNX, very simple. Only one direction. Either you send message to me or I send message to you. One direction. Yeah, it's not a full duplex. No two way, one way only. So now you have the channel 1 from Q1, channel 2 is from the KNX to logo using the M1. So the logo setter. So let's do the others. So we have the group address, right? Where to get the group address? So group address, you go back to the questions. The question for your practice from the practice 6, right? 56. Yeah, practice 6. So practice 6, this is your group address. Lighting and fan, shutter and master. So group address, you go to pass, lighting, fan, add one more is a shutter, add one more is a master. So start with the 1. So next in the lighting and fan, what you have the middle group of the switching, and one more switching. You have 2 switching, one switching on the fan, one switching on the light, and one more is the switch and dim. Start with 0. So inside the switching, the first switching is a switch fan. The second switching, you add the group address, switch, fan. I don't like, sorry. No, but the number is not correct. The number is the 1 and 2. So you need to change the number. How to change? You click the address, click the properties, change the number 1, and this one is the 2. So now it's correct. 101 is a switch fan, 112 is the switch type. Then you need to add the dimmer. Add to address, this one is the switch, lamp 3, and the dim lamp 3. And start with the 3, 3 and 4, the address. Shutter, same thing, you have the drive at middle group. Inside the drive, you have the move and the step. Step is the spotlight. So start with 1. Master, right click at middle group is the all. Is the 0, so you can use the spot. Right click at the group on, off, or load. Okay, this is 0. So all the address setter. So you finish. You remember you finish the structure, building structure. You finish the device. You finish the group address. Next is the linkage and the configuration. Just do the configuration first. Without configuration, you cannot link. So you put a push button based on this: rocker 1, rocker 2, rocker 3. So rocker 1, what is rocker 1? Rocker 1 is a switch dim. Rocker 1, switch and dim. And see rocker 1, switch dim. So left or your up, up is on, or off we do before it's off. Darker, on, brighter. Rocker 2 is a shutter. So you go to the shutter control. This one stop adjust, okay. For left is go up. For down, for right is a go down. Long press right is a go down. Rocker 3 is a switching off and on. Okay, push button setter already. Now you go to the shutter. Where is your shutter? Shutter is this one. In the shutter, you need to, now object is a 0, no object. You need to enable first. Function, enable the function at the position by our shutter. Push shutter. All put default is okay. Now you can see the move and the stop. Move, go to the move. Stop, go to the stop. I go to the steps already. So your switching is a lamp. You can put inside the lamp now. So at least you can see 2 lamps up Output go to the lamp. Dimming. Dimming is your dim lamp tree. This one is the switch on lamp tree and dim lamp tree. One more switch light. Just put the inside the switch light. But this switching is no any control. You are controlled by the PLC as well. So now we have the switch fan. Who turn on the fan? The fan is from the PLC to the PLC input 1 to turn on the fan via the Q1. So in this case, the turn on the fan is the PLC. You go to PLC, logo KNX, channel 1, turn on the fan. So where is the fan? The fan actually we use one light to control. Just connect any switch actuator. Maybe the switch number C is to connect to the fan, connect to the fan. So fan and the logo connector. Second part, switch on the light. You have the output for two light. So this one is the switch light. Actually, we do not have any control. Later you put into the master. You master to turn on the light number 2. So this one is extra. This one. So dim is only output. We need to put in the switching. Put in the push button. Push button. Dimming. Short press is the switch on off. Long press is for the dimming. Then the shutter. Move. So it's a move up down is a push button up down. Stop is the step. And the master you put everything in. Rocker tree is the master. So your switching just now you put everything in. Fan also on. Your light also on. And your channel 2 channel 2 is the N1 the N1 from the KNX to logo. On, then later on is the shutter already inside, right? Shutter not inside, dimmer also not inside. Dimmer, shutter, all track only. So now you can see you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 output with the one single input rocker tree. So after this is finished already. After this is finished already. So you all can try to do. You all can try to do. I think the example inside have this logo. Logo is very simple. Logo only 2 input, 2 output, and 1 function, 3 seconds and 5 seconds. KNX also very simple, and 5 devices. Switching operator, dimming, shutter, push button, and the logo. Book address, you can put in the book address on the fan, switch on the light. Yeah. And you can base on this dimmer and shutter. Yeah. Just try to do. I will do the